ball movement by the Thunder. That's a good, open, quality look there for Ibaka.
And in their 3 victories, that was the case. Excellent ball movement by Oklahoma City. Oh, from long range, Steph Curry.
And Mark, think about this. Thunder went 3 of 23 in Game 6 as Curry back-to-back threes.
But game is tied. Here's Curry. Yes!
Make that 12 for 22 with Curry and Thompson going nuts out here from behind the three-point line.
Curry over Durant. Yes! How does he get it up over the 6'11" Kevin Durant? Golden State lead.
And Curry is saying, we're not going home.
And Curry will dribble it out. Mass hysteria here at Oracle Arena. The Warriors do it by becoming only the 10th team out of 233 to win a best-of-7 series while trailing 3 games to 1.